Hello, you guys. My name is Anastazia Dupee, and I'm so excited because we are packing together today. And I'm packing for a European getaway, just a carry-on. I've traveled so many times that I feel like I've nailed my packing routine, and it has never failed me. So we have to be able to fit all of our outfits, our shoes, our bags in a carry-on. I feel like that means we need to style very efficiently, and we need to pick cute outfits, but also outfits that we can mix and match. I'm so excited. The outfits that I'll be showing you today are all from Revolve. They have the best stuff, the best selection. And also, I love the delivery. I love that I'm able to, when I place an order, I know I will get it ASAP. And I did want to start with some of my favorite packing tips that have literally saved me when it comes to traveling. Number one is plan your outfits for every single day, every single activity. You can't just pack cute things and hope that it will all work out. That is when you get in trouble. That is when you pack certain things that you think you are going to wear. You wasted all the space that you could have saved for cute outfits or for shopping. Another really important tip is I like to stick to a color palette. Of course, I have a couple of dresses or a couple accessories that might be in a fun color, but I like sticking to neutrals and creams and beiges and just like easy colors that I know I can mix and match. Also, I always like to roll. You can fit double the amount if you roll. And if I have something really bulky, I'll just wear it on the flight. Always use dust bags for like if I have a nice pair of shoes or a bag that I really don't want scratched, always use the dust bags. And if I'm packing a bag, best believe I'm going to use it. Like I will stuff my socks and underwear in that bag. It just like ends up keeping the perfect shape that I want for the bag, and I'm able to fit more stuff. That is a really good trick. I do that all the time. Now let's move on to our haul. Let me show you everything I picked out for my trip. I basically just need, I think, 3 daytime outfits, 2 night, 2 beach. So I feel like we got it, and I love every single item I picked out. Let's start. Okay, I'm gonna start with my favorite. I picked out this gorgeous Maxi, like crochet, beautiful flowery skirt. This is from Norma Kamali, which I am obsessed with. I love Norma Kamali. I feel like her clothes are amazing. Look how stunning this is. I think this is such a statement piece. I love the quality. It's incredible. You can wear it to go to the beach. You can wear it for a daytime outfit and a nighttime outfit, and it just looks so stunning. It's neutral. You can rewear this different ways, but a stunning, gorgeous statement piece at the same time. Next, we have another favorite brand of mine, Enza Costa. I always buy my Enza Costa from Revolve. I got this gorgeous knitted top that is kind of see-through. It's very, very light. Even though it's knitted, it's supposed to be a summer top. So I absolutely love this. Again, a neutral, but you can style this so many different ways. A knit light top like this is everything. So this is another piece I got that I'm very excited to show you how I'm going to style this. Let's go to another statement piece I got. I got this incredible sparkly skirt. The brand is SNDYS. It's this gorgeous sparkly nude skirt that I feel like is perfect for a getaway in Europe. I love the color. It's a very neutral, chic color, but obviously the sequins make it so fun. And I feel like it's very stylish at the moment, this type of skirt. I feel like it will look so good, both in person, but also in photos. I love taking cute photos when I'm on trips, so I'm very, very excited for this. Another favorite brand. Literally every brand I buy from Revolve is my favorite, but superdown is so amazing. I love it because the quality is incredible, but it's also really affordable. If you want to get something, but you're kind of on a budget, definitely check out superdown. They're ruching on the side with a little tie here. I don't know if you can tell, but it's off the shoulder. This contours your body. It's incredible. It will make you look so snatched. So I then got this really cool scarf, Sarong from Montce. I love this brand as well. I love the bandana look, and this is perfect because you can style it so many different ways. As a girl, one of the best things you could own in your closet is a dress with pockets. Where having pockets in my dress makes me feel like I'm invincible. I can achieve everything and anything I want if my dress has pockets. I found this dress. It is Tularosa, and I really, really like the detail. It has a little crochet detail at the bottom, which I feel like that little crochet lace is all the rage right now. I feel like all the cool girls are wearing it. It has like a low waist, which is really pretty. Then I got this gorgeous shirt from Paige. Paige is another incredible brand on Revolve. Again, a white, very, very flattering shirt is something I feel like every single girl needs in her closet. So I'm very excited to style this as well. Then I got a pair of pants. These are LESET. LESET is an incredible brand. I love ordering it from Revolve. They're so easy, especially when you're going on vacation. You want to have something that's easy, that's very comfortable. Another thing I love ordering from Revolve, bikinis, and Frankie's bikinis are the best. Again, I'm sticking with a crochet little lace detail, and I got the matching bottom as well. It's so flirty, cheeky, but very cute. I love this, and I love how this ties in the front. I think it's a really cool, unique detail. Let's move on to accessories. How stunning is this bag? This is everything and more. Holding it like this, I just think it's very chic. How stunning. Devon Windsor sunnies. I think these are everything. These are so freaking cute and chic, and just like, I could literally wear these every single day. Like this little shell necklace. I love this so much. Also, these little earrings with the gold and the pearl matches our neutral theme I'm going for, but it also has the gold, which I feel like when you want to jazz up your outfit, this definitely adds that extra element. Then I got this bag, which I feel like she's so pretty. Again, just like so unique, perfect for day and night. I think it's such a statement. Elevates every single outfit, which is exactly what we want. And last, I got this stunning leather belt, again, just to accessorize and elevate an outfit. I think it's really, really pretty. Okay, so for our first daytime outfit, I'm gonna style my white pants with the super down top. And when it comes to shoes, you really don't need to overpack, especially when you're going for a weekend. I think there's nothing chicer than a cute pair of flip-flops. I just think that they're everything and more. I love styling my outfits with flip-flops. And then I got this super stunning set from Jeffrey Campbell. Look at these heels. I love the same element of like the flip-flop going on with a little bit of a heel. These are the only shoes I'm gonna bring because I don't need anything else. This is look number one. I love the style where the bandana is tied at the side. I just feel like it's so cute and stylish, and I love pairing everything with a nice flip-flop. I think this is perfect for like an everyday exploring look, and the top is so good at contouring your entire body. I just think it's so flattering. And now for a night out look, I'm gonna keep the same top, and I'm just gonna wear this stunning skirt, and it's gonna instantly elevate it. I'm also gonna switch to the heels. Let me show you. Okay, this is our night out outfit, and I'm obsessed with this skirt. Just look at the movement, and it looks so stunning. Using the same top, changing to some heels, and you instantly have the perfect night out outfit that's gonna get you so many compliments. Just mind your business. Okay, next we got this amazing beach outfit. I paired my bikini with this amazing skirt, my flip-flops, the perfect little straw bag, these black sunnies, and it's such a cute beach look. I love it. And I just want to show you how easy it is to take this outfit and change it from a beach outfit to like a daytime exploring, but also want to look really chic and elevated outfit. Okay, and these are like daytime going shopping. I added this cute little leather belt, the Enza Costa knitted top. Switched to my heels. These are also so comfortable. I've walked over 10,000 steps in these. My little bag, sunnies, and you have the perfect chic outfit to explore. You also look cute, put together. So for my next beach outfit, keeping the bikini and this gorgeous knitted top, and I'm going to switch my skirt and that bandana that we added as an accessory. We're actually going to use it as sarong for the next look, which I think is so cool. I love a cool sarong, and I love just like mixing and matching, and it's so cute. I added also the flip-flops, my little bag, kept the sunnies, and it's the chicest little beach outfit. Okay, next up, we have my favorite dress. This is perfect to explore and walk around, do some shopping as well. Such a comfortable dress. I love that it has pockets. I paired it with this amazing flip-flops, my little favorite straw bag. I also added this gorgeous earrings and my sunnies that you will see me wearing all summer long. I love the drop waist. I think it's, again, such a nice cool take on the trend. And let me show you how I take this look and turn it into a nighttime outfit in literally seconds. Okay, I quickly changed into my heels and I got this bag, and we are ready for a nice little dinner. I love it. I feel like this outfit screams Europe, and the lace detailing is just so stunning, and it matches perfectly with these earrings. Okay, now when it comes to packing, my favorite method is rolling. I have to roll everything. It also helps, I feel like, with creases. I like to put my shoes in dust bags, call it a day. It's super easy, takes no time. Let's pack. I literally take the top and I just roll it and place it in my bag. I'll do the same thing with bigger items, roll them and place them in the bag. And then I'll use the bags and store my jewelry inside. Also, you can add underwear and socks as well. Also gonna include my sunnies. Last but not least, let's add the shoes. We are all packed and ready to go. Okay, now the only thing left to pack is my personal bag. I have it right here of all of the things that I need in the flight. Beauty must-haves. You guys know I'm definitely a beauty girly and I tend to overpack, but I want to show you some of my favorite top things that I cannot travel without, things that I absolutely need. Starting with number one, I have the hardest time sleeping, especially if I'm in a foreign bed, if I'm like traveling, if I'm doing anything, if I'm not feeling like cozy and like I'm at home. So one of the things I always make sure to get is my Lemmy sleeves. I love getting these from Revolve because they actually work. There's some magic in these gummies because even if I'm so uncomfortable, not tired at all, if I eat a couple of these, it is guaranteed I'm gonna have the best sleep of my life. So definitely, if you haven't tried these, make sure you do. I love how they taste as well. Another thing, as you can tell, I'm very picky when it comes to my sleep. Like, I need my favorite things with me or else I will not be able to sleep. One of those things that have changed the game for me is definitely mouth tape, and I love the Skinny Confidential one. I've tried so many different mouth tape from literally everywhere. I keep going back to this because it is so flipping good. First of all, look how cute, pink. And I love that it has a little hole for your mouth, like just in case you need to breathe, I don't know. I sleep so deeply every single time I use these. Another thing that is an absolute must if you're traveling is Touchland sanitizer. I love the sanitizer so much. Sanitizes you in seconds. It's not messy. I love this one. I have so many Touchland hand sanitizers and there is zero chance I'm traveling without this. This is an essential in every single one of my bags. Next up is my lip liner, which is as important as sanitizer. I actually wore this exact lip liner on my wedding day. It's the Iconic Nude by Charlotte Tilbury. This specific lip liner is gonna make you look so good. It's my favorite nude lip liner. I like it because it's not like orange-ish. It doesn't have any orange tones. And I'm the type of person, like, even if I'm running out the door for like to grab a coffee, I want a little lip. I need my lip liner. So this is definitely an essential when I'm traveling. And my last essential, I have a very sensitive skin. And one thing about me is if I'm getting on an airplane, I will be breaking out. Like, it's something that will happen to me. And one of the things that I found really helps is this specific Tower 28 spray. This is the SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. Just spray this on your face and I promise you, you won't be breaking out anymore. This magic in a bottle. It really works, especially if you have sensitive skin. Highly recommend. These are my top 5 must-haves whenever I travel and in life in general. Thank you so much for watching how I pack for my European summer with some of my favorite Revolve pieces. You can shop all of these gorgeous looks and all my beauty favorites in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to Revolve's channel for more, and thank you so much. I love you.